sister status.
They gave me 2. So does that really count as me sleeping in it if it wasn't intentional? Wow, I'm gonna sleep so good tonight. How's it going? Welcome back to another vlog. I need to be really honest with you guys. I need to be very upfront with you. I am so grateful for you guys. You have no idea, because I truly wouldn't be able to do what I do here on the internet without you guys and without your support. And so thank you for watching me, little old me on the internet, because Anyway, back to regular scheduled programming. I'm actually getting ready to head down to my brother-in-law's office. I have a couple of things that I need to pick up from him, and I'm just gonna, apparently it's like nice and warm out today, so I'm kind of just excited about that, which is very nice. I want to show you guys a couple of the new things that I got from Zara. I actually spent the weekend with Liliana, my sister, up at her house with my brother-in-law. It was a lot of fun, and the purpose of that is because we were supposed to have had a photo shoot, and I actually bought a whole bunch of stuff from Zara to be able to just like have actual clothes to wear the day that we were supposed to have our photo shoot. It snowed a whole bunch. We ended up just rescheduling for another day. I totally slept in this shirt last night, but I didn't mean to fall asleep in it. So does that really count as me sleeping in it if it wasn't intentional? Got this shirt, very cute. I'm wearing my flowing turquoise jewelry with it. This is actually a new bracelet that's gonna be a part of our unisex collection. Cute, cute. And then I got this pair of boots. They're very cute, if you ask me. That's the outfit for the day. But it feels like one. Is it gonna be a layering moment? I don't know. Just doing laundry. I'm so sad. I got coconut oil on my sweater and it absolutely breaks my heart. Doing laundry while we talk. It's called multitasking, my people. Hi, my sweet boy. I love you so much. I had brought my camera to my sister's house so that I could film, we could have some content going, but it ended up just being a really relaxing weekend, and I am really happy that I didn't prioritize filming at all. I'm really happy that I didn't prioritize filming on the weekend, because I needed a weekend to just not do anything. And though I was being productive with her, it was just, yeah, I had a really, really good weekend. I need to go make some food because I am hungry. Yeah. How's it going? Say hi to the vlog. Say hi to Mr. Loki. You are so sweet. You are the sweetest boy.
3 hours later.
Hello, it's me again. It is many hours later. I wanted to show you what I'm wearing. It's so cute. I have this bag. It's like one of those, basically like a Prada knockoff that I got from White Fox Boutique, because like I enjoy the concept of this purse, but I don't enjoy the price tag. I mean, if somebody were to ever gift me one of the like Louis Vuitton versions of this bag, then I wouldn't be mad at it. But this is another Charlotte Tilbury package, which I'm very excited about. So I got Magic Cream and the Brightening Youth Glow. I got the Feline Flick, the Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder. I got 2 of these. They gave me 2. Awkward. I don't know why I did that. That might be why things were so expensive. Oh well. Finally ordered the Hyaluronic Happy Kiss. This is in Happy Peach. Here I am thinking that they sent me an extra one, but it was really just me that ordered 2. Do as I say, not as I do, my friends. I am sad. Anyway, and then I got the Magic Away Liquid Concealer. How do we feel? Oh, my battery's gonna die. Love that for us.
The next day.
Hello. Current situation. Sister?
Hi, hello.
Hello. Mom, where are you?
Can you please not go with me on camera?
Nobody can see you. See, I'll cover your nightgown.
Alex, you're in a vlog.
Say hi, Alex.
It's her debut.
It's her debut. Even if...
She just said, oh, it's my debut. Welcome to my channel.
Yes, welcome to my channel. This is the current situation. So, they sent over... Oh, this thing is ginormous. The Endy mattress. I have a queen. Sent over 2 pillows, which also come in boxes. And then they also sent over a duvet cover. Not a duvet, because I like the one that I have, but I needed a new sheet situation. I actually built this, but I got the Malm high bed, and for some reason they sent over these these slats. And then on Monday, actually probably on Sunday night, we are going to remove the tracks for all of these blinds.
Do you need help?
Usually. It's a work in progress.
We
also,
match.
we're wearing the same thing. Sister status. That's so staying in the video. You have no
Damn
idea.
it.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my god, if I'm working a nail helping you do this, you're paying for my manicure.
That's okay. Call it a business expense.
Oh my goodness.
This is not
Cat
my...
break. Look at that cute cat. It's gonna inflate and spot, so we need to move it up. Oh, wait, move it up. Ow,
Careful.
we need to work up. Okay. Now, cut a line down the middle. Oh my god!
This is so cool. That is wild. Okay, now we must. I know it says not to, but we must.
Not to what?
1, 2, 3. Oh. Kind of smells like new mattress though.
It does smell like new mattress, but it was also stuck in plastic stuff.
And that took 6 minutes.
6 whole minutes.
Isn't that crazy?
That's actually crazy.
Why did that feel like so much longer?
Because you were excited.
My uterus. It hurts. I'd like to thank my beautiful sister. Actually fully just like twinning right now.
And by new bed, I mean bed for you. Look at you, mister. Do you like a new bed?
I'm so happy.
I don't know how I feel about this.
Yeah, it still smells like factory. I'll let it do its thing. Wow, I'm gonna sleep so good tonight.
346 minutes later.
Since talking to you guys last, many hours have passed, and I have since had a facial, made this lovely bed, ordered some groceries on Instacart. I know you get so freaked out when you hear the sirens. I know, it's okay. It's okay. This weekend is gonna be crazy, but I'm really excited to finally be making moves when it comes to design stuff in this space. So, like, I'm actually really happy with this mattress so far, and I'm not saying that just because it was gifted to me. You guys know that I am very brutally honest when it comes to reviews of things and stuff, so I'm excited to have it. I have a lot of stuff that I need to do tonight, and then I'm just gonna sit down and edit. The reality of the situation is that if I don't edit at least one video tonight, I won't have something to upload on Monday, and it is the beginning of March. Oh my god, it's the beginning of March. It's the beginning of March on Monday. Oh god. Peace out. Eat down. Also, my face is red and shiny because of my beautiful Derma Bar appointment. Teresa, I love you. Thank you so much.